Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Pikachu from Pokemon. So grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with the eyes. And I'm going to make two round eyes. I'm going to put in a little light reflection. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I make them quite a distance away from each other. And then right between the eyes, you're going to just draw a little line which is going to indicate the nose, and we're going to draw the top of the mouth. Now let's fill the eyes in. Right between the top of, just below the top of the mouth, we're going to draw the bottom part of the mouth, and it's going to be a nicely widely stretched open mouth and a little tongue inside. And let's fill the black in the back of the mouth as well. Now we're going to draw the side of the head. Just above the eyes, I'm just going to make a nice curvy line down. And I'm going to do this on the other side as well. I'm going to start here at the bottom, sort of to match. Maybe let's do the chin area as well. There's a little chin. And then we're going to start here at the bottom and just take it up past the eyes, a little bit higher than that mark. Now on top, we're going to draw the top of the head. And we're not going to touch the lines, we're going to leave a space open because it's place for our ears. Now let's finish off the face first. Let's draw the little cheeks. And now right above we can start with the ears. And I'm going to draw bunny shaped ears. I'm going to start here at the top, about there. And this ear is going to be pointed to the side, and I'll make my little dots there. And right on top I'm going to make it with a nice curve. And I'm going to go past the line, touch the line and pass it. And then we're going to make it round on top, and we're going to touch the head right there. And we're going to draw a little dividing line on the top of the ear there. Now let's do the same on this side. I'm going to start at the top first, make it nice and curvy, connect it to the top of the ear. Now the bottom one, you can make it nice and curvy, and you're going to stop. And maybe let's take the head a little bit past, a little line there. And we again, on the point of the ear, we're going to draw a dividing line. So let's color these lines in. Now we're going to start with a hand, and it's going to be an elbow that points outwards. So first, right here next to the chin, I'm going to draw 4 little fingers. And I'm just going to draw it very basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Now we're going to draw a little elbow. So I'm going to start here at the bottom, and I'm just going to make it nice and round. And I'm going to let it touch the head and just pull the line past that, like that. Now it looks like the hand is in front of the face. And on this side, we're going to draw the other hand, stretching out. Again, the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, like that. And now you're going to take this finger and extend the arm back to the head. And here at the bottom, you're going to extend it back as well, just with a nice curvy line like this. And there we go, these are 2 arms. Now we're going to draw the body. Now this is sort of a bag shape that we're going to draw. I'm going to start here, sort of almost in the middle of the arm, and I'm going to bring a line down. And I'm going to make it nice and round. Just try to draw a bag. Don't worry about drawing a body, just focusing on drawing a bag. Now on this side, we're going to do the same thing. And we're going to connect it like this. See, we have sort of a bag shape there. And that's Pikachu's body. And now we're going to draw the feet. I'm going to draw a straight line out here. And on this side, I'm going to do the same thing, a straight line out. Just those 2. And then we're going to draw 4 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4 toes. and then just make a straight line back to the body. On this side, 4 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4 toes. And again, a line back to the body. And there's the feet. And now for Pikachu's tail. It's sort of like a lightning strike, his tail. So, I'm just going to draw a step like this. And at the bottom, I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm just going to bring it up like that. And I'm going to stop. You're going to start up here, make a nice line up. And now here, you're going to make a step. And you're going to make it even thicker, the line. So we make it more wider apart. Now, on this side, I'm just going to draw another step out. And on this side, I'm just going to make it sort of a curvy line on top. It doesn't have to be straight. And then we're going to connect it. And then right there, we're just going to draw a little line there as well. Good. And let's fill this line in. And there's Pikachu. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors and the shadows as well. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.